In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your presentation into a video, okay, in Google Slides. So assuming I'm on my Google Slides over here and I have this presentation about 33 different slides and I want to convert it into a video, all I need is to come over to File. You can see Convert to a Video. This is a new feature that's been rolled out in Google Slides. So you can click on Convert to a Video and you have the option to specify the exact number of slides that you want included in the video. Okay, so you can see all of them. If you want to select all, if you want to clear all, you can clear all or select all, and then you can include AI voiceover, that you can maybe something like narrative voiceover, a script, and background music. You can enable this. We've included the voiceover, the script, and background music, and then you can say import to this. And this is the video that's been created, so let's just have a play to have a preview.
Key elements of a project timeline and delivery. This video will cover the project timeline for our presentation. Please note the legal copy at the bottom regarding the confidential nature and intended use of this information. The contents are divided into 4 main sections. We will add specific section titles and slide numbers as we progress through the project details. Let's meet the team responsible for this project. Here are the
Now this is very detailed and encompasses everything, and slide by slide it will be explaining the different concepts that you need to understand and follow through. Now you can generate images directly from here. You can just describe the type of image that you want and it's going to give you the image. For example, you can say generate the image of a cat. Alright, so you can say this, and then you have the option to use avatars to change or edit the voiceover, and use the nano banana to generate the images as well. You can record more if you're interested in recording, upload different kind of media, stock media, images, videos, and audios. You can have texts and so on. You can use all of these to enhance the video that you've generated, and then you can make progress. So over here you can see the image of a beautiful cat. You can just click to add it to your slide very easily and nice. Now assuming I like the video that I've created and I want to export it, all you need is to come to share. You have the option to copy the link. You can export it to a drive, or you can download as an MP4. So let's go ahead and prepare this and download as an MP4 video. So you can specify the location. Assuming I'm going to go to the downloads and then give it a name, let's say presentation. All right, and then you can say save. You can see the MP4 format and just say save. You can insert this if you're interested in your presentation as well, so you can move it and resize it accordingly. So this is basically how to convert your PowerPoint slide into a video. You can just click to have a preview.
Welcome to this video on how to deliver a presentation. We'll be covering key elements of a project timeline and delivery. This video will cover the project timeline for copy at the bottom regarding the confidential nature and intended use of this information.
If you found this helpful, please leave a like.